Hi guys! Meron tayong fresh from the boutique. It is someone ordered, special order for Naghedi. It's Naghedi in, naka-sale po siya. Itong color lang po. Saint Bart Small Crossbody. In this color. Natin. It's a cocoa color. It's on sale. So, kung gusto niyo meron pa dun available, pwede ko makuha at ma-ship sa inyo December 2 shipping and ETA December 10 to 12 Luzon. So, this Naghedi and meron siyang small pouch here and andito yung kanyang strap. So, hindi ko na kukunin yung strap. So, that's crossbody. Itong color na to yung nakasale lang siya. So, if you want complete with gift receipt, so, meron pa doon available, parang tatlo pa. Yep, this is a small Saint Bart's in cocoa color. So, maganda siya. Nagpapack na ako para sa December 2. So, andun pa lahat. Yung bahay namin andun pa doon. Yung mga items ko. So, available in cocoa, crossbody. It's Naghedi in cocoa color, small. December 2 shipping, December 10 to 12 marireceive nyo na po yan. ETA yan, Luzon area. So, kung gusto nyo na may isuot o magamit to before Christmas, available.